Hey, y'all, it's Miss Johnson, back at it again with geometry videos. Today we're doing congruence proofs. There's 3 proofs on your homework. Here's the last one. I'm just going to talk about it briefly and just kind of remind ourselves what the statement means, what the justification means, what's the given, and what we're trying to prove when we're doing geometry proofs. So each question is going to give you a given, a diagram, and a proof statement. The given are things we want to mark on the diagram. We'll say mark these on diagram. The more colors you have access to, the better, in my opinion, but that's how it is. Your proof statement, that is going to be the thing that's going to go last in your proof. We're going to say a bunch of stuff and say why we know how to say that stuff. And the whole point is so that we can eventually say the proof statement, which for us is that the triangle RTQ, so RTQ, this triangle, is congruent to triangle QSR, right? QSR is this triangle. So the entire point is to justify or tell why these 2 triangles are congruent. The proofs kind of follow this pattern. The first few are all the given information. We're just going to be note keepers and write down exactly what the problem told us, right? The next part, and for us it's like only one statement, but it might be more than one statement in the future, which is things we notice about the diagram. That wasn't just like directly handed to us. There we go. It's about the diagram. I don't know, my head's in the way right now, but here we go. And then the final thing is our conclusion, right? This is our conclusion. For us, this is going to be a triangle congruence statement, and this is going to either be side, 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 angle, side, angle, 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 side, or side, angle, side. So one of our triangle congruence conjectures. It almost looks like an R. There we go. Actually don't. Let me not save this yet. Okay, again, the given statements, we basically just put them right here. We put these right here. Anything that's in the given kind of category, the justification is it was given to us, right? And then the things we notice are generally going to be, so things we notice are going to be theorems from previous units, right? So it's that vertical angles are equal, or that lines are congruent to themselves. So if a side is used in both triangles, we just say it's congruent to themselves. Sides are congruent to themselves. And the mathy way to write this again is reflexive. The reflexive property. That's that. I highly recommend that whenever you read something in the given, you go ahead and mark it immediately on your diagram. So like RT is equal to SQ, right? We want to mark that this side is equal to this side. And then the last thing we need is that this side is equal to itself. So I'm going to mark that with 3 and say that RQ is equal to RQ is going to be the statement for this one. All right, guys, if y'all have trouble, if you have any questions, if you just want to talk about this, come to office hours. The way you do that is either on Wednesday mornings from 9 to 11, or you just message me on Teams and I tell you when you can get on. All right, check you later.